Problemo once a function and two coordinates are displayed on the graph. There's my function, there's my coordinates. That looks exponential to me. What is the y value of the function when the x value is -1? Well, this is exponential for sure. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an xy table by drawing that perfectly straight line and just kind of go backwards. So I have 3/8 and I have 4/16. So close to John 3:16, my favorite Bible verse. It looks like going this way, you multiply by 2. So going backwards, you divide by 2. Makes sense. So you would be 2, 4, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. 1, 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. 0, 1, because of divided by 2. And here we are, -1. 1 divided by 2 is +1/2. So pretty simple problem. You just need to recognize that it's exponential. And with exponentials, you multiply this number by the same number every time. So working backwards is the inverse of multiplication. Division. Hope this helps.